Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumaut, Assistant Professor in the Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University. Today the topic is modern method of the preparation of drugs. And let's start the topic. In Hahnemann's method of the preparation of drug, like old method, the drug is of various classes of drug substance are different to the different because of the solubility of the drugs in various solvents. To overcome this lack of uniformity of the drug strength, Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia of United States in 1941, bearing a few exception, prescribe a uniform standardization of 10% of drug strength of most medicinal preparation. This is the modern of or new method of the preparation of tincture or potency, in which the tincture contains 1 gram of the dry drug substance in 10 cc of tincture. The tincture hence contains 1 by 10th part of medicinal substance, and that is the drug strength of by drug power is 1 by 10, which correspond to 1x trituration. The modern standards eliminates the centimole scale of potency. The previously adopted the classification of medicinal substance. The different classes of formulas preparing of homeopathic medicine. In the old method, there are provided two types of standardization. One of the case of alcoholic tincture of dry drugs, and second for the fresh plant juice. The modern method has also rejected this double standard. This is uniformity of standard is secured through the modern method. The outlets of making homeopathic medicine preparation we sell have not carefully following general principles. After the procuring of the crude drug substance, the first step will be the qualify them from the medicinal uses, which involves in two form of condition: the liquid from the uh, or liquid tincture solution, and the solid form for the trituration. All the drug substance soluble in the alcohol, purified water or glycerin will be have to properly made into the tincture or solution, and the next attenuation or dilution. The moist or soluble drug substance can be made into trituration with milk sugar. If any liquid acids or drug contain water, the must be have taken out for the solvent. Alcoholic solution with a tincture of the solution, solid or semi-solid, are made various varieties of drug substances which are partially or wholly soluble in alcohol. They embrace all plants and different parts of the plants. Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia of India has also follows new method. However, the German Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia continue follow Hahnemann's method of preparation of tincture and potency. And we discover the preparation of mother tincture by new method like maceration and percolation. First, we study the maceration. It is a long process used for the treatment of large quantity of drug substances, needing much time for the excretion of their medicinal principles. Substances for use for the maceration is including hard gummy substances and those substances having much viscid juices to prevent the rapid penetration of alcohol into the mass. Hard gummy and mucilaginous drug substances do not allow the alcohol or menstruum to penetrate there rapidly due to the smallness of their intermolecular space. After cutting the pounding the drug substance, the surface or of the penetration of alcohol is increased. Require apparatus like macerating jar with lead drug material, menstruum, chopping board and knife. Procedure: calculate the moisture content of the drug substance with the help of water bath. The temperature should be between the 15 to 20 degrees Celsius and pressure, normal temperature and pressure. Alcohol and purified water are used as a menstruum. The drug substances should be contact with the vehicle for a long time. Press the mark after removing the liquid portion. The desired drug substance is reduced to the magma and placed into the macerating jar or stainless steel vessel with a lid so constructed that if the checks evaporation of alcohol. Next, the required Solvent of the menstruum is added to magma such that the whole mass is covered if possible. The macerating vessel is then kept sealed in the dark, cool place. A powerful shaken daily. Temperature should be within a range of 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. The period required of proper extraction of the drug substance varies according to their nature. The maceration process continues for about 2 to 4 weeks. After this period, decant the tincture and press out the residue through a clean linen bag or with the help of a tincture press. Measure all the tincture if necessary. Add more of prescribed menstruum to reach the required volume. Again filter. If alcohol fails to act readily on the viscid or miscellaneous drug substance in a case, use only one and a half quantity of solvent. Macerate. After the maceration, press out the residue and triturate the residual substance slightly in a mortar and pestle. Mix with the above the twice its bulk or finely powdered substances. Next, add the remaining half of the solvent and subject to the process of percolation. The percolated cleaned liquid is then into previously decanted liquid. In the mixing of alcohol with the water, a concentrate or decrease the volume may occur. Whether during liquidification of solid, it increase the volume will occur. The finished tincture should be either case be measured and compensate for a directed other standard method of preparation relating to each respective drug. Hope you all understand the method of maceration. Thank you. Namaste.